Okay, so we are having two more companies, company number 9 and 10 to close. So now we are moving on to the Revascular Bio, Mr. Kazuo Omori. Okay, now the floor is yours. Please begin.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kazuo Omori, the CEO of Revascular Bio from Osaka University. So we aim to change the patient's lives with true vascular cell therapy. So I'd like to talk about our company's project. At first, one in 5 diseases is still due to heart disease worldwide. The core problem is the vascular system. Many factors such as aging and diabetes gradually and silently damage the blood vessels and eventually leading to the many vascular diseases, including heart disease. Actually, I'm working as an MD and treating these vascular diseases. But in reality, these vascular diseases are very common and the suffering of patients is very enormous. When the blood vessel is damaged, the supply of oxygen and nutrients is impaired and the organs cannot function properly. There are many therapeutic options for the damage of large blood vessels, but a critical challenge in this area is that there's no cure for the damage of micro blood vessels. So this issue is extremely distressing for both patients and healthcare provider. We can change this situation completely with unprecedented vascular cell therapy. Our core technology is world's first discovery of vascular endothelial stem cell, ESC. In fact, blood vessels is always creating in the human body, but the stem cell responsible for this angiogenesis were unknown. Our stem cell ESC is exactly this kind of stem cell responsible for human angiogenesis. And this technology have been patented in Japan and the US as well. So this stem cell enables two therapeutic concepts. First one is microvascular regeneration by ESC transplantation. And second is delivery of different factors. Actually, the function of blood vessels is not only to deliver blood, but also producing many factors such as coagulating factors. For example, this deficiency of coagulating factors causes hemophilia, and this is restored by ESC transplantation. The most distinctive feature of this technology is its innovative direct angiogenetic effect. This green structure shows that new blood vessels generated by just single ESC transplantation. No other technology can prove this kind of unprecedented effect. So why is this technology can be developed to the therapeutic drugs? It's because three breakthrough innovation in ESC. First one is, of course, discovery of ESC. But not only this, we've already established a very simple culture method by using human subcutaneous tissue. And third, we've already established the POC for the treatment of vascular diseases by ESC transplantation. Our product in fast pipeline is human ESC patch, as shown here, with very simple manufacturing method. And we've already demonstrated that human blood vessel is can be created from this ESC patch just by applying this patch to the disease area. The competitive technologies are gene therapy and other cell therapy, but only ESC therapy can have high efficacy even in severe diseases. This is because only ESC can achieve the direct angiogenesis. In other words, ESC is like seed of angiogenesis, whereas the competitors are like fertilizer. We plan the indication strategy as shown here. Firstly, we will establish the safety and POM in digital ulcer of SSC, systemic sclerosis, because of deep unmet needs and low risk infarction in human trial. And secondly, we will develop the blockbuster drugs in hemophilia because of enormous market and groundbreaking therapy. There are particularly huge market in the US and globally. The annual sales scale in the US will be $600 million in digital ulcer of SSC and $2 billion in hemophilia. You can see development roadmap here. we've already raised seed funding last year, $1.5 million. And also we've got the AMED grant, which doubles the amount of VC funding until 2031. And we are now in the preclinical phase in fast pipeline. After establishing manufacturing process and safety assessment, we will conduct phase 1-2 clinical trial from 2026. And for hemophilia, after establishing the preclinical study in 2027, we will conduct global clinical trial. This is our founder team. I'm MD and have been involved in vascular diseases more than 10 years. And Professor Takakura have more than 30 years of experience in the vascular research. And the COO Nishikaku have a wide range of experience in pharmaceutical company and VC. So we definitely make dreams come true through this team with diverse medical background. And we will change the patient's lives really. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Omori. Okay, as usual, we are moving to the question. Okay, anyone? We may take a few questions. Okay. Is there anyone? All right, please.
Yeah. If you expect the delivery of adjacent factors, and how do you administrate ESC? How do you give ESC to the patient?
Thank you so much. It's a very good question. Actually, especially in the fast pipeline, we can use allogeneic autologous transplantation. And in the hemophilia, for example, we want to restore the protein. So we have to use allogeneic transplantation. And also in our data, if we transplant this stem cell to the liver, the stem cell can be differentiated to the sinusoid and to produce a coagulating factor. So now we are thinking to transplant this stem cell to the liver. Yeah. Maybe if I could, we want to put the cell patch on the surface of the liver. Actually, we have a data when we put the cell patch, this cell patch can create a coagulating factor. But yeah, we have to think about that more.
Okay, I can understand.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We may have time to take one more question if available. If not, okay, then thank you very much,
Thank you very much.
Mr. Omori. And okay, thank you very much.